Now let's talk about the run2 DMX Master mode of the DMX and RDM dimmer. On the main page, use the up or down buttons to find the run option, hit enter, and set it to run 2. Then press the back button to save your settings. After that, you'll need to power it off and back on to enter run2 DMX Master mode. When you press the down button, you'll see options starting with numbers, which represent the brightness of each channel. Click into the first channel to adjust its brightness. This channel is connected to a red light, so you can see how the red brightness changes. Now let's go to the second channel and adjust its brightness. This one is connected to a green light, so you can see the green brightness change as well. If I press the up button, I can find options that start with P, which stands for program. These are preset programmed lighting effects, and there are 32 of them in total. Let's take a look at what they do. P0, all lights off. P01, red. P02, green. P03, blue. P04, yellow. P05, yellow-green. P06, orange. P07, cyan. P08, purple. P09, light purple. Once we reach P10, the lights start to have running effects, with colors constantly mixing and changing. It is the lighting animation effect. You can also adjust the speed of these light changes. Press the back button to find the SP option. The number after SP represents the speed of the light changes. The higher the number, the faster the changes. At number 9, the lights change quickly, and at number 1, they change slowly. Additionally, you can adjust the brightness of the effects. Look for the option that starts with B. The number after B indicates brightness. There are a total of 8 brightness levels, from 1 to 8, where 1 is the dimmest and 8 is the brightest. Let's check out more lighting effects, which include various light transitions and color sequences. You can choose based on your needs. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you.